everyone and welcome back to DeepTechnoElite. Today we are diving into the world of Python. If you have heard about coding, data science or machine learning, chances are you have come across this term. So what exactly is Python? Let's find out. Imagine Python as a universal language for computers. It's designed to be human readable, making it a great starting point for anyone interested in coding. Unlike other languages that can be complex and intimidating, Python focuses on simplicity and efficiency. So, we have established what Python is, but why should you spend your valuable time learning it? Let's break down some of the killer reasons. First off, Python is incredibly versatile. It's like a chameleon of programming language. Want to build dynamic websites? Python has frameworks like Django and Flask to make it a breeze. Craving to uncover hidden patterns in data, Python got libraries like NumPy and Pandas to supercharge your analysis. Aspiring to create intelligent machines, TensorFlow and PyTorch are your Python-powered companions in the world of machine learning. And if you are tired of repetitive tasks, Python can automate them, giving you more time to focus on the fun stuff. You are not alone on your Python journey. There is a massive community of Python enthusiasts ready to lend a hand. Online forums, tutorials, and open source projects are just a click away. Learning Python becomes a collaborative adventure with countless resources and support. The demand for Python skills is skyrocketing. Companies across industries are seeking Python experts to drive innovations. From tech giants to startups, Python proficiency can open doors to exciting career opportunities. Python comes with a treasure trove of pre-built tools called libraries and frameworks. Imagine having a toolbox filled with specialized instruments for every task. That's Python. These libraries handle complex operations, saving your time and effort. From data manipulation to web development, Python got you covered. So there you have it. Python is a powerful tool that can open doors to exciting career opportunities. I encourage you to give it a try. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced programmer, Python has something to offer. So why wait? Start your Python journey today. Hit that like button, subscribe for more coding content, and let me know in the comment what do you want to build with Python. Hey coder, welcome back to DeepTechnoElite. Before diving into the exciting world of coding, we need to set up our environment. In this video, I will guide you through the process of installing Python on your computer. Many computers already have Python installed. Let's check if yours is one of them. If you are on Windows, open the Start menu and search for Python. If you find Python, you are good to go. Alternatively, open Command Prompt and type Python space hyphen version. If it shows the Python version, it's installed. And if you are on Mac, open Terminal and type Python 3 space hyphen version. If it shows the Python version, it's installed. If you don't have Python, let's install it. The first step is to download it. Let me show you how. First, open your browser and type download Python. Visit the official Python website python.org. This is where you will always find the latest version of Python. The most recent version of Python is Python 3, which is what we will be using in this tutorial. But don't forget, Python 2 is still out there, and although it's no longer getting new features, it remains popular. Click on the Downloads tab. If you are on Windows, Python will automatically suggest the base version. Mac and Linux user, just select the right version for your system. Wait a moment. After downloading, open the installer and make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. This makes running Python much easier. Then hit the install now. Wait for a moment. And that's it. You are ready to code. Let's make sure Python is installed correctly. Open the command prompt and type Python space hyphen version and hit enter. And there you go. You have successfully installed Python. You are now ready to embark on your coding journey. In the next video, we will explore the basics of Python programming. Want more Python tutorials? Smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what's your first Python project.